10 mistakes first-time cruisers make that cost them thousands. Before you pack your bags, watch this, because these 10 rookie mistakes can turn your dream cruise into a financial nightmare. Number 10. Booking the wrong cabin location. Many first-time cruisers think all cabins are the same, but the ship's layout matters a lot. Cabins near the engine room or nightclubs might be cheaper, but they're also noisy 24/7. Midship cabins cost a bit more, but they're quieter and more stable if you get seasick. Saving $200 here can cost you your sleep and your sanity. Number 9. Not budgeting for onboard expenses. Cruise tickets may look all-inclusive, but they're not. Drinks, specialty dining, Wi-Fi, and excursions can add hundreds to your bill. Always plan an extra 30 to 40% of your ticket price for onboard costs. Otherwise, that final statement will hit harder than a storm at sea. Number 8. Skipping travel insurance. It's not exciting to buy, but it's essential. Medical emergencies, weather delays, or lost luggage can ruin a trip and drain your savings. A $50 insurance plan could save you thousands if something goes wrong. Cruise lines don't refund acts of nature, no matter how convincing your story sounds. Number 7. Booking flights on the same day as departure. This one is brutal. If your flight is delayed or canceled, your ship won't wait for you. It sails right on schedule. Always arrive at least one day early to your departure port. That extra hotel night is worth it compared to missing the cruise entirely. Number 6. Overpacking or packing the wrong things. New cruisers often bring way too much. Remember, most cruise cabins are tiny. Plus, you don't need formal outfits every night. Pack light, bring versatile clothing, and leave restricted items like irons, candles, or surge protectors at home. Security can confiscate them at check-in, and you'll never see them again. Number 5. Ignoring port excursions until it's too late. Waiting to book excursions on board? Big mistake. The best tours sell out fast, and the ship's own excursions are often more expensive. Research and book online before your trip, or you'll be left wandering the port with nothing but overpriced souvenir stands. Number 4. Falling for the unlimited drink packages. Those drink packages sound tempting, but most people never drink enough to make them worth it. If you're not planning to have at least 5 to 6 drinks a day, you're wasting money. Instead, look for free beverage stations and bring your own refillable bottle. Cruise lines quietly profit from overestimating your thirst. Number 3. Ignoring daily service fees and gratuities. First-timers are often shocked when they see an extra $14 to $20 per person per day added for gratuities to their bill. These fees cover cabin stewards and dining staff, and they're automatically applied. Budget for it up front so you're not surprised at checkout. You can't remove them without causing serious awkwardness. Number 2. Turning off cellular data. This one has cost people thousands, literally. Once your ship sails out of port, your phone switches to maritime roaming, and every text or app refresh can cost several dollars. Before you leave port, turn off cellular data or enable airplane mode. Use the ship's Wi-Fi packages instead, or prepare for a shocking phone bill. Number 1. Ignoring muster drill and safety rules. The muster drill might feel boring, but it's legally required for a reason. Every year, passengers get fined or even disembarked for skipping it. It's your one chance to learn exactly where to go if there's an emergency. Cruise staff take it seriously, and you should too. Safety first, saving second. So, there you have it. The 10 mistakes first-time cruisers make that can quietly drain your wallet. Avoid these and you'll not only save money, but actually enjoy the cruise the way it was meant to be, stress-free and unforgettable. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more cruise tips, hidden secrets, and travel insights. Because when it comes to the open sea, knowledge is the real luxury.